my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I hope you guys are all healthy and well, or if you're new and just stumbling across this video, hello, my name is Katrina. I hope you were healthy and well as well. Thanks for joining. Today, I thought I would take you guys through quite a highly requested video. I did do a version on TikTok of this hair tutorial, which is kind of like the clean look, like the chic model off duty type of vibe. But I thought it would be great for me to just kind of go a little more into detail and just show you guys like nice up close and personal what exactly I'm doing and what products I'm using as well. The only like products that I use, there's only two of them. There's a hairspray and then there's a gel wand. So that's all I'm using. I'm not using like a proper gel or anything, but I will get into that. Before we get started, please make sure that you like this video if you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And also make sure you check out my Instagram and my TikTok because it is a lot of fun over on those accounts if I do say so myself, but it's also a little more frequent as well. So if you want more day-to-day type of content, I'm always posting on my stories every single day on Instagram, and I cannot wait for when TikTok releases stories in Australia. I am so excited for that. But anyway, without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
So first up, what you're going to need is a hairbrush, a fine tooth comb, a claw clip, a hairband, perhaps a bobby pin or two, a hairspray. I use the Kiyun Style Fix Brush Out Lacquer, and then I also use the Jacques Wispy Inflammation Anti-Flyaway Finishing Wand. First, you will want to start with slightly damp hair and find your middle part with a comb. Next, grab your brush and hairband and start brushing your hair upwards, but try to keep the middle part there as much as possible. You want to aim for the ponytail to sit quite high at the back, but not on top of your head, and don't forget to brush up the back too. Once you're happy with the positioning of it, grab your comb and just smooth out any lumps and bumps you might have before spraying it all down with hairspray. If underneath the ponytail is a bit bumpy still, just use the comb to push it up towards the ponytail as much as possible and we'll cover it with the claw clip. For the bun, I just wrap it around like any other normal ballet bun and then I just squish it down with the claw clip. I like mine to look effortless and like perfectly imperfect, so I don't mind if there are some bits of hair sticking out and being a bit spiky, but you can adjust it to your liking. I also like to pull the top of it up a bit so that it shows some height from the front and I don't look like I just have a bald head. To finish it off, I use my Jacques Anti-Flyaway Wand to smoothen my flyaways and any little bumps that I may still have. I also use it up the back, but if you do have some breakage at the back like me, grab a bobby pin or two and pin it upwards into the middle of the claw clip so that you can't see it. And that is it. That's my 5-minute sleek, clean look bun that I have been doing pretty much every day for the last few weeks. It's a great look if you haven't washed your hair too, because you can have oily hair and no one even knows. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look and be sure to let me know if there are any other tutorials or videos that you would like to see from me. Bye!